Hey guys, it's Emma. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So, elephant in the room, yeah, my hair, it's pink, but you're gonna see all about it in my next video. So, yeah, it's just temporary. So today's video is going to be me just DIYing my clothes, but yeah, basically I did two DIYs. I bleached half of my jeans, like all of those TikTok videos, and then I made a really cute tie-dye set. I don't know if I should call it like DIYing TikTok trends or something, because these are definitely two very big things on TikTok right now, at least on my For You page. Yeah, I'm really excited about how they turned out, so hope you guys enjoy. So yeah, let's just get started with bleaching my jeans. So since I'm stuck at home with nothing better to do, I decided to try and make some of my boring clothes cuter. So I really wanted to try the half-bleached jeans DIY I've been seeing all over TikTok, and it makes this really cool two-tone effect. These are the jeans that I'm going to be bleaching. They're from Princess Polly. I really like the wash of them, and I think they just look really cool half bleached. Okay, so I'm going to use painter's tape and tape it at the seams so that we don't get any bleach on the other side that's not supposed to be bleached. So I think I'm going to do it where I tape up the pocket so it's not going to be bleached and it stays blue, and then the rest of the leg is going to be white. And then on the other side, on this side, the pocket is going to be white, so I'm going to have to bleach here. I don't know how I'm going to do that, but yeah, so I'm just going to tape it up. Hi, I'm outside now and I'm in my driveway. I changed into a big shirt. It's my dad's, hope he doesn't mind. I have everything laid out. I've laid down some plastic sheeting. I have my bleach, my gloves, a little sponge, and then my jeans, of course. I actually did this yesterday with this bleach on a completely different pair of jeans, and for some reason it didn't work. And this is just regular Clorox bleach. So in all the TikTok videos, I saw everyone using this kind of bleach, which is toilet bowl cleaner bleach. So yeah, hopefully this one works. Okay, so I think I've got everything covered. I think I'm done for now. I'm gonna go lay these jeans in the sun and then come and check on it in like an hour. It's like an hour later. I kind of forgot to keep track, but yeah, I definitely think it worked. This stuff is like blue, that's why they look blue, but I think when I wash them out, they should be white. So yeah, and me being stupid, I placed them under a tree. So, yeah, that's why there's dirt all over them. Okay, so yeah, I think it's time to take these inside. Okay, hi guys, so this is what they ended up looking like. They're actually wet right now because I just took them out of the washing machine. I put them on a cold rinse. The pocket up here is kind of messed up because some bleach got in, and then the pocket on the back is kind of messed up as well. I might go back and like try to fix this part. This part, unfortunately, I don't think I can fix, but I'm actually like really surprised at how they turned out.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah.
So next I wanted to do something tie-dye, because tie-dye has been super in recently, especially those cute tie-dye sets. So I bought a cheap pack of little boys undershirts that I cropped into tank tops and an old pair of white brandy sweatpants to make my matching set. And you want to make sure that they're 100% cotton, or at least mostly cotton, or the dye might not stick. I'm not sure how this is gonna look. I feel like I should have used more dye because that's what I saw everyone online doing. Like they put it on the inside too, which I didn't do. So, oh yeah, there's a lot of white. So it's kind of cool, but then like there's also just like way too much white I think on it. So I'm probably gonna go back and redo it, but I think the shirt will probably look like this. Okay, so the shirt looks pretty cute. I think it's just the pants. Like there's just so much white still on them. So I think I'm gonna go back, scrunch these parts up, and do that. Part 2 for the tie-dye. This is what it turned out looking like. And it's cute. I feel like there's just a lot of white that I kind of want to go back and fix because I didn't really use that much dye when I did it. I kind of just put it on the outside, but I totally forgot to do the inside. I just fixed it up a little bit. I just filled in that little part there. I actually ran out of dye, so I can't really do any more to it. But so yeah, I think it looks a lot better now. I just filled in like the white spots and on the shirt as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the shirt and the pants in this plastic bag and then wait like 8 hours or something, and then I will be back. Oh my gosh, wait, that's so pretty. Okay, so as you guys could tell, when I first put it in, it was like a really bright, like fuchsia color, which was cute, but like this is 100% better. It turned into this really pretty light pink color, and I'm actually in love. Like I can't wait till this dries so I can wear it. So yeah, once they're dry, I will show you what it looks like on. So I have no idea where the outro clips for this video went, but I hope you guys found this interesting and maybe give these DIYs a try because it's definitely a fun way to pass the time in quarantine and you get some cool new clothes out of it. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and comment because I love reading your comments. Subscribe if you want to see some more videos from me, and yeah, I love you guys so much. Stay safe and I will see you all next time. Bye!